Welcome to my new website, Passionate on Analytics. My name is Iver van Zand and I'm happy and proud to guide you around in the new website structure. If we scroll down, you see of course a link to the book that I recently published called Passionate on Analytics, and very important, you see a clearly indicated section with insights, deep dives in any analytic related topics. You see the famous best practices videos where I demonstrate techniques and how you can apply analytics. And of course you see a section that is very valuable with resources, all kinds of links to interesting websites, authors or other blog sites with very valuable information regarding analytics, business intelligence as a whole. Quite some content on the website is focused on one of the things that interests me a lot, which is data visualization techniques. And you see, of course, a sample over here of one of the IBCS Hickard charts. I'll come back to that in various blogs. Let's have a look around on what you can find on the website. On the home button, you can, of course, read a little bit about me as an author, what I do, what my experience is. You can see how you can book me for keynotes or other events where I often speak about analytics related topics. And there is a connection and collaborate section where you can find me and connect with me on LinkedIn, Twitter, for example, or one of the Facebook pages that I use for analytics. There's also a schedule where you can see where I speak and what events I attend. A separate section is created for the book. And if I tick the book section, you will see the book is recently launched, beginning of February 2016. It is an overview of all the experience that I have and contains more than 60 best practices videos. There are more than 33 deep dive interviews and strategy discussions regarding analytics. And there's a wealth of information and resources. Over here on the lower end of this section, there is a kind of a summary that I give regarding the context on the book and how you can order it. A very important section of the website are, of course, the blogs that I tend to write every single 2 weeks. Over here you see a subsection of the blogs, an overview. If you just tick the blog menu, then you find all the blogs in order of publishing date. And very handy is that every single blog is tagged by category, so you can search for example, best practices, or you can search for data visualization techniques, or you can search, for example, for BICC, Business Intelligence Competence Center related information. And there are also categories. If you are interested in reading one of the blogs, you just tick the link and the blog opens up. And you can see the article. Sometimes it has videos embedded in there, or there's quite often there are links to other articles or external articles that I write. And of course you can share them or you can comment to them as you like. Especially for me, the most interesting are your comments. I really hope people start collaborating with me so that we can learn from each other, and I can again share and use that information in further blogs that I write. Again, a very important section within the blogs, next to the blogs, are the resources. If you tick the resources tab, you find an overview with all kinds of different icons that you can tick individually. For example, if you're interested in the YouTube channel that I provide with all the videos, you can tick the YouTube button. Or if you're interested, for example, in the business intelligence component selection tool that I developed, you can tick that one. Over here are almost 50 of those tabs with all kind of interesting information, whether you want to go to the closed loop portfolio scenario or you're interested in, for example, data visualization standards from IBCS and Professor Dr. Hickard. Next to the resource tab, as a sub-menu, you find my best practices channel and also a section with downloads and files that you can use. Well, I hope you like the website. Of course, there's a newsletter where I really hope that you tick it and that you are happy to receive every 2 months a newsletter from me with the latest blogs. And don't forget to tick the shop button where you can order the book Passionate on Analytics, whether it's for an Apple device, an interactive iBook, or you can order it as PDF, separate PDF. Thanks for your attention.